Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have another unboxing video. I'm so aggravated. But my mailman decided to put my box in the mud. So it never fails. They always put my packages where they don't belong when they can walk 20 foot and just put it on my porch. So let me grab a knife. Okay guys, so we're going to dive through this. So we have from Define Me, it's an aquamarine crystal infused natural perfume mist. This is how it looks. It's got the crystals and it smells amazing. We'll definitely be wearing this today. Then we have a Yupon Tea Glowing Awakening Moisturizer from Volition. And this is how it looks with a gold top. And it is a cream base. And I'm not going to really dive into this stuff much because I'm going to be doing videos on this, like when I use it. We also have some press-on nails that I will probably be putting on today over my nails, which I have nails, so nothing wrong with trying to make them pretty. And then we have some hemp seed adaptogens deep moisture glow oil, and it is from Herbivore. We're going to see how it looks. So this is how this looks, and it's green. I figured it would be green since it's called Emerald. I love the box. It's got the flowers on the sides, and pretty cool. And then we have the Amazonian clay pot tart, and it is a waterproof eyeliner it says. I love the packaging in this stuff. It's so pretty this time. And it's just a little vial with a shiny thing, and I guess it's just eyeshadow, not eyeliner, because it's in a little container. So you got this big old box where there's a little old eyeliner, but I love the container, it's so pretty. And I had opened this because I was opening everything, but it wasn't recording, so let me show this. It says About Face. I love the packaging, I can see myself. Hi, how are you? And then it's like a shimmery color. And this is just a light lock powder, and it's called This Bliss. And I love the box for that. So cool. And then we have a filter finish protective primer. I opened it a while ago. I'm not going to open it again because it's in aluminum foil and stuff. So I am going to be doing videos on this stuff. I know I keep repeating myself, but sorry guys. Just work with me. And then this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is her mascara. And I love this tube too. It looks like splattered paint or whatever. Let's see how it looks when we pull it. I don't wear mascara, but I am going to be trying this, because that mascara just don't do well with me. So that was everything in my box this month. I also had complained to Ipsy because I'm not sure if DHL done it or if my mailman done it, but my box was in the mud, as you can see in the beginning of the video. Makes me so mad when they throw my them and Amazon are the world's worst of throwing my stuff in mud holes. So I didn't really complain. I just told Ipsy, you know, that what they done. So they're sending me another box since my box was thrown in a mud hole. So it's supposed to be here today. So whenever it comes, we will dive into it, and it will be posted sometime this week. So if there's any videos y'all want to see on this channel, comment below, and I will do them. I will do reviews, whatever the case may be. If you want me to try something before you buy and give you my honest review, I can do it. But like, share, hit that subscribe button. It's not going to hurt you. Just show me some support. I love my followers. I know I have a small channel, but I don't post a whole lot, not consistently either, so I'm working on it. I'm a full-time cosmetology student, and I'm getting it. I'm just so busy with classes. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And I'll see y'all next time.